So we have a microwave that has been possessed. I think it's just old and needs to be retired. We're gonna set it here for, let's see, we're gonna make some oatmeal for 1 minute, and let's see what happens here. 6:38 in the morning. Set the timer for 1 minute, and now we're gonna hit the start button, and I think it's gonna show you that it's done. Oh yeah, that's the fastest 1 minute I've ever seen in my life. That's even faster than whatever. I think it's done. Bye-bye, microwave. Try it one more time. 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.